Okay, once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good morning po.
Okay, for the information of everybody, we have a new principal today. Her name is Mati Napoles. So she will be our principal for the entire year. Nilipat po yung dati nating principal sapagkat may mga changes talaga na nangyayari every other year or every year sa mga leadership ng ating school. So, let's continue our activity today. So, we are now on our week number 9 for Mathematics 7 with module number 9. And this module number 9 is um, last module for the Mathematics 7. In other words, since last module na tayo, after ng last module, magkakaroon na tayo ng exam. So next week, maybe Thursday and Friday ang ating exam. So you have to study your notes for the examination. And let's begin our lesson for this morning. So today we will be learning the module number 9. So since, by the way, it's already March 1 today, so konti na lang, matatapos na rin ang second grading. Pero I think there's a problem with the second grading schedule that we have. Supposedly, our second grading will end on this February, but then it happened na wala na distribute yung modules. So therefore, may extend siguro siya ng 2 more weeks. So module number 9 is solving linear equations and inequalities in one variable. So this module is the continuation of what we have learned last meeting. Yung last meeting, nag-solve tayo ng linear inequalities, linear equations. Ngayon po, isosolve natin siya ulit. Pero gamit ang graphical. Ano po yung graphical? Yung parang gumagamit na tayo ng ruler, gumagamit na tayo ng graphing paper, and so on and so forth. So let's have our game number 1 for this morning. So for our game number 1, we will be having our pre-test, and it is a quiz game for 10 minutes for 10 items. So example, what you have seen on the presentation, we have may mga options po yan siya, A, B, C, and D. Just select lang po kung asan po yung best answer. Okay, again, you don't need to make it perfect because this is a pre-test. I'll be sending the link for a while. Okay, this is the link on the chat box. Again, 10 minutes for 10 items. 10 items for 10 minutes rather. So you don't need to make it perfect as long as you have the answer. Your time starts now. Okay, to those who came in late, please answer the link on the chat box for our pre-test. Recognizing the attendance, we have Ashley, Charisse, Cyril, Densley, Emilio, Jane, Jiro, Christoph, Crizel, Lourdes, Mark, Nico, Red, and Tres. So last 7 minutes. Okay, if you're done, tell me your score by chatting on the chat box. And if you're not yet done, please continue until you finish the 15 or 10 item activity. Okay, last 5 minutes. Okay, last 3 minutes. Okay po, Mark Terence, you can do it. Okay, red is 1761. Ilang score po kaya yan, red? If I would like to ask you, ilang score po kaya yan siya? Naka 5 points, 10 points, what do you think? So we have the scores, Emilio 535, Rizal 783, red 1761, Tres 785, 759. So I think that's a big score na. Okay, last 1 minute. Then we will continue our lesson. So, time's up, time's up, time's up. So, sa mga hindi pa po natatapos, just continue. And to those who are done, please participate now with our lesson and discussion. So, today, our lesson focuses on the solving linear equations inequalities in one variable. Pero, gumagamit na tayo ngayon dito ng graphical method of solving. Last time, yung ginamit natin yung nag-xy, xy tayo, that is what we call the algebraic or algebraically solving the equations and inequalities. Ngayon naman po, we will be using the graphical or yung mga graph na tinatawag. So, to begin with, let's define first a very important definition wherein we will be using this one for the rest of the week. The word is absolute value. So, from the word absolute, ibig sabihin exactly what it is. So, of a number is the distance on the number line between the number and zero without any regards to its direction. So, ganito po. Sabi daw po dito, ang absolute value daw is a distance. Tanong ko lang po, meron bang negative na distance? Example ng negative na distance na sinasabi ko ha. Gaano ba kalayo ang bahay nyo sa school? 5 kilometers? Negative 5 kilometers? Ganun ba? Meron bang negative na distance? You type yes or no on the chat box, please. Sa tanong ko na meron bang or is there a negative distance? Example, the distance from school into our house is negative 5 kilometers. Is there a negative distance? Yes or no? Please type in the chat box, please. Sabi daw po ni Christoph, no. Emilio, no. Ashley, she's not sure, but maybe yes. Nico, no. So let's find out kung yes or no nga ba. So we are 19 all in all. Please everyone participate. This is the last week of our math class. So, yes, no, okay. Meron nga bang negative na distance? So in reality, wala po tayong negative na distance. The answer here is no. So we don't have a negative distance. Knowing the fact, kapag sinabi mong absolute value, it is always positive. So please copy the definition and type done if you're done. So that's true. It's no, 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 no. Please copy the definition now, then type done if you're done. Okay, still waiting for the others to finish copying. So moreover, pag sinabi mo pong absolute value, it will never be a negative number. Kasi nga po, distance siya. And absolute value is just positive as you could see it always. Okay? So that's the absolute value, meaning distance po daw siya. And distance is no negative. Sabi daw po dito, without any regards to direction. Diba kapag south is positive, kapag east, negative. So since without any regards to the direction, therefore, wala tayong pakialam sa kanyang sign. Basta siya ay positive always. Okay, let's continue. These are the examples of the absolute value. The symbol for absolute value is two bars after and before the number. Example, the absolute value of 4. So what is the positive number of 4? That is 4 also. So therefore, the answer here is 4. Next, the absolute value of negative 12. What is the positive number of negative 12? That is positive 12, right? Next, what is the absolute value of 7 minus 2? Subtract nyo muna. 7 minus 2, that is equals to 5. And what is the absolute value or the positive number of 5? That is 5. So, ganun lang po siya. Always you take note na naka-positive siya ang mga absolute value. Okay, type done if you're done with this section or with these examples. Okay, let's continue. So, these are the two methods of how we solve the value of x. Take a look at that 8. So, the first method is algebraically. Algebraically meaning you solve that one in the process of algebraic expressions, algebraic properties, and algebraic laws. Tulad ng mga solving na xy na ginawa natin last week. But the second one is graphically, which is the focus of our lesson for this morning, meaning we will be solving that one with the use of graphical method or yung tinatawag natin na graphing. So today we will be learning that one. Okay, please copy the two types of solving the value of x. Okay, let's continue. So we have finding the values of x here, or the value of x. So number one, we have 3x minus 4 equals 2. So let's do the graphical method muna. When you say graphical method, when you say algebraic method, isolve mo natin siya using the mga laws and properties ng algebra. Okay, so in this case, lahat po ng variables with x nasa left side. Lahat po ng numbers, numbers alone or constant, nasa right side. So ilipat natin itong negative 4. So 3x magiging 2. Ito siya from negative 4 pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative turn to positive na siya. Okay? So 2 plus 4 magiging 6, then 3x. Divided by 3, saan galing ang 3? Ito po. Yan po. So, i-divide siya sa 3. Kung nag-divide ka ng 3 sa left side, mag-divide ka rin ng 3 sa right side. Cancelled, cancelled. Matira na dyan is si x. So, 6 divided by 3 or 6 over 3 is 2. Ilang 3 ba meron sa 6? That is 2. And how are this is done algebraically. Okay. Ito yung tinatawag na algebraically of solving. So, ano naman yung graphical? Okay, I'll be teaching you the graphical method. But before that one, please copy it first para ma-erase ko na siya kasi hindi magkasya. Type done if you're done with this. Mark Terence is 11:16. Okay, we have here x is equals to 2. So how do we graph that x is equals to 2? So, for a while class, gina-open ko pa yung link. Saglit lang ha. So, if we are going to graph that one, so gagawa kayo ng linya. Okay. So, straight line po yan siya sa akin dahil sa camera ko naka-angle siya ng siguro mga 10 degrees. So, tiko po siya sa camera paglabas sa inyo. Okay. Lagyan ng arrow. Make sure naka-straight line yan ha. Purahin ko na lang para makita nyo. So, I'll be using a ruler. So, straight line ko siya. Okay. That one. So, dagdagan nyo pa. Okay. Lagyan nyo ng arrow. So, the answer there kanina, ilang galing answer class? X equals 2. Tama? Yan yung sagot kanina. So, when you do it in graphical method, so, since positive number siya, let's focus on positive number. Let's begin our first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make sure na itong distansya nyo dito are the same. Hindi po pwede na ganito ang mangyayari sa inyong may 0 dyan, may 1 dyan, tapos dito ang 2. Hindi po pwede yan, yung magkaiba-iba po ang space. Okay, mali po yan. Next, make sure na ang arrow nyo is tama ang pagkagawa. Ha? Tapos, make sure also na ang bar nyo dito, hindi nyo nilagay sa taas. Mali po yan. Hindi nyo rin nilagay sa baba. Mali po yan. Dapat napagitnaan talaga siya. Okay? And make sure also na pantay-pantay yung mga bars ninyo tulad nito sa taas. Okay? So, ganun po. So, next. X is equal to 2. So, saan ba dyan ang 2? Ito po. So, yan yung i-shade ninyo. Okay, that is 2. That is our X. Okay, that is the graphical method of showing the solution of the algebraic expression x equals to, or the algebraic equation x equals to. Okay, please copy. This is done graphically. Okay, type done if you're done. Cindy, Nasa Jensen ka ba ngayon? Kasi nakita ko yung post mo kagabi, nasa Tagaytay ka. Nasa Jensen ba ikaw ngayon, Cindy? Nasa Jensen ka ba ngayon, Cindy? Okay. Kaninong post yun, yung nasa Tagaytay ka? Cindy Estrelianes man yung nabasa ko kagabi. Well, anyway, let's continue. So, to continue with our lesson, let's move now to item number 2, which is negative. Okay po. Matagal na pala yun. So, negative 4x equals 1. So, allow me to erase in 3, 2, and 1. So, negative 4x equals 1. Sige daw, kayo daw muna mag-solve using algebraically. Algebraic solving. Sige daw. Kayo muna mag-solve. In this case, i-divide nyo lang man siya sa negative 4. Okay, let's find out what will be your answer. You are just going to divide it by negative 4. So, what do you think is the answer? Just type on the chat box. So, kung i-divide nyo siya sa negative 4, negative 4 din dyan, x will be equal to what? Please type your answer in the chat box, please. Yes, 1 over negative 4, sabi daw po ni Cristo. Is he correct? So, everybody, please post your answer for this. So, sabi niya po, positive daw po. Hindi daw po negative. So, other students, please. Ano po ang inyong sagot? You are 19 all in all, 1/4 positive. Take note, this one, si 1 is positive. Si 4 is negative. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. Ano gani ang rule kapag magkaibang sign? Ano gani ang rule pag magkaibang sign? Kung pareho ang negative-negative, magiging positive siya. Kung different signs sila, like positive-negative or negative-positive, magiging negative din siya. Tama? So ano nga ba ang sagot dyan? Is it positive 1/4 or negative 1/4? So the answer here is, tingnan nyo, si 1 is positive, si 4 is negative. So magkaibang sign sila, so negative 1/4 ang sagot dyan. Okay? So that is done algebraically. So let's have it graphical solution. So using the ruler. Now, pwede po ba maggawa na hindi gumagamit ng ruler? Pwede naman. Kaso lang, dapat you have to make sure na straight talaga paggawa nyo. So since negative siya, paatras po tayo magsulat. If this is 0, this is 1, negative 1 pala. So saan dyan ang 1/4? Kung itong 1/2, yan ang 1/2, negative 1/2. So dito ang negative 1/4. Okay? So allow me to raise it up. So if this is 1, dito ang 0, kalahati nyo is negative 1/2. Kalahati ng negative 1/2, negative 1/4. Okay, then you shade it. Then you write x. Okay? So that is now our solution or graphical solution. So please copy for this example. Type done if you're done. Okay, next, let's proceed now to number 3. Allow me to erase it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, for number 3, we have the given 3x minus 5 equals 4. Okay, to answer this one, lahat po ng variables sa left side, lahat po ng numbers sa right side. Sige, so magiging ganito na siya, 3x. Okay, 4. Ito siya, negative 5. Pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging plus 5 na siya. Sige daw, continue answering and let's find out what will be the answer for x. Then type your answer in the chat box. X equals 3 from Ashley and Crystal. So waiting for the others, Emilio is also 3. Cyril got it 3. So we are 18 all in all, expecting for the others to post their answer. Jane, 3. Hazel, 3. Charis, 3. Nico, 3. Okay, let's reveal now. So we have 3x equals 4 plus 5, that is 9. Then divided by 3, divided by 3, cancelled, cancelled. We have 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So very good, that is 3. Okay, so let's do the graphical method. So that is a straight line. I used the ruler, kaso lang tiko lang talaga camera dahil naka 10-degree angle siya. Okay, so let's have 3. 3 is positive. So let's focus on the positive number. Okay, let's begin here with 0. Positive papunta doon, negative papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, mabot na tayo ng 3, so pwede na tayong mag-end. 3x equals 3. So you shade 3 here, then you write x on the above. Okay, so what if y siya? Anong mangyayari kapag y? So kapag y naman po, patayo. Okay? Kapag y patayo. Since x tayo, pahiga. Okay ha? Yung tandaan nyo ha. Pag y patayo, pag x pahiga. Or pahalang. Okay, type done if you're done with example number 3. Then, pakisagutan ng example number 4 on your notebook. Then, we will check your notebook. Pakisagutan ang number 4 after this. Tingnan natin kung alam nyo na. Sa notebook lang po sagutan. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. So, 2 minutes na po. 2 minutes. Ang sagutan ang number 4. So, mayroon na silang sagot. Bilis, bilis. That is 2. 2 nga ba or negative 2? Take note, is it 2 or negative 2? You have to make sure sa sign, baka magkamali kayo. 2 nga ba or negative 2?
Ang
Again,
answer
kapag
sa number po. Anong number?
number 4. Okay, pag magkaiba po ang sign, sa number 4, kapag magkaiba ang sign, negative. Kapag magkapareho, positive. So, last 1 minute. I-graph nyo din po. Tingnan natin. Self-checking tayo nito ngayon ha. Kasi hindi po ma-post ang graph sa chat box. Napakahirap. So, kailan kaya makaka-invento ng chat box wherein pwede kang mag-draw? No? Baka isa sa inyo, later on, pag magdating na kayo ng college, maka-invento kayo niyan. Maggawa kayo ng Google Classroom, ay gawa kayo ng Google Meet na pwede na mag-drawing sa chat box. Okay, last 30 seconds. Negative 2 daw po kay Dansley. Cyril is positive 2. Charles, positive 2. Jane, positive 2. Emilio, the same. Miko, red. Let's reveal. Kung yan nga ba ang sagot nyo, may negative 2 pa sa taas. Sino yun? We have Ashley, negative 2. So that's 2 minutes and 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, time's up. So let's reveal the answer. So to reveal the answer, we have 7x equals negative 14 divided by 7 divided by 7. Cancelled, cancelled. X will become negative sa taas, positive sa baba. Magkaiba ng sign, so negative ang answer. 14 divided by 7, that is 2. And we are going to plot that one on our graph. So since negative siya, dito tayo mag-focus sa left side. So 0 natin dyan. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So negative 2 ito po. Lagyan ng shade. Tapos yung shade nyo ha, full shade. Then X. Okay? So that is now the answer. Okay, very good. So I think may marunong na kayo pero meron lang talagang problema sa signs. Signs po, tandaan nyo, kapag nag-divide kayo ng parehong positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. Or kapag nag-divide kayo ng negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. Pag nagkaiba naman ang sign like positive, negative, the answer here is negative. Or negative, positive, the answer here is negative. Tandaan nyo ha, kapag magkaibang sign, negative. Kapag pareho, positive. Okay? So let's continue. Another example is this, substitute the values. So let's focus here on the skills of substitution. So ang skill po dito tinatawag na substitution. So we have 3x minus 28 equals 2. Yan daw po yung sagot, 2. Pero kung sabi daw po where x should be equal to 5. So yung x daw palitan daw natin ng 5. So yung 3, then palitan mo daw yung x ng 5 minus 28 equals 2. Bakit siya ganito ng itsura? Kasi po si 3 at saka si x magkatabi, so therefore, ibig sabihin ko sa magkatabi, magkadikit ha. Yung magkadikit, so therefore multiply siya like this. So 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 28 equals 2. 15 minus 28, may utang ka na 28 pero may binayad ka na 15. Ilan na lang utang mo? That is 8 plus 5, 13. So since utang is negative, so negative 13 pa rin equals 2. Tama nga ba? Kailan naging equals ang negative 13 at saka 2? Diba? Never. So therefore, this is a false statement. So negative 13 is not equal to 2. Okay, yan po yung sagot dyan. Not equal to 2. Sige daw, kayo daw mag-solve. You try 10x minus 28 equals 5, where x is equals to 5. 10x minus 28 equals 5, where x is equals to 5. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot ninyo. Equal nga ba or not equal? Is it equal or not equal? Okay, I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Ang i-type nyo lang sa chat box ha, kung equal nga ba or not equal. Okay, the answer is not equal or equal. Is it equal or not equal? Please post your answer in the chat box, please. Christoph, kabilis talaga ni Christoph ba at ni Ashley. Sila yung dalawa halos pinakamauna magsagot. Emilio, not equal. Equal daw kay Ashley. Okay, let's reveal in 20 seconds. Not equal nga ba? Ano yung not equal na number? Okay, hands up. Ano po yung number na not equal? Is it tulad nito, 13 and 2? Ano nga ba? Negative 22 and what? 5. Na natin. Negative 20 daw, 22 daw, sabi ni Christoph. So let's reveal. Palitan daw si x ng 5. So 10 times 5 minus 28 is equal to 5. Next, 10 times 5 is 50. Minus 28 is equals to 5. Meron kang 50 pesos, may utang ka na 28. So that is positive 22, hindi negative. It's not equal. Tama yung sagot nyo na not equal. Nalilito talaga kayo sa kuan ba sa sign, promise. Ito lang yung tandaan nyo. Kapag negative utang, kapag positive bayad. So, tulad nito, 50 at saka 28. Itong 28 utang, itong 50 bayad. So, kung meron kang utang na 28, binayaran mo ng 50, may sukli ka pa. Sukli is positive, tama? So, positive ang sagot. Next, meron kang bayad na 15, pero may utang ka na 28. So, kung bumayad ka ng 15 sa utang mo na 28, kulang ka pa ng utang mo. Kulang ka pa ng 13. So, kung kulang ka ng 13, kulang is negative. So, therefore, negative 13 siya. Ganoon lang po. Kulang at saka, kulang at saka utang at saka bayad. Okay? So, next. Number 2. Allow me to erase this one. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, for the next example, we have number 2, negative 4x equals 1, where x should be equal to 0. So, negative 4 times 0 equals 1. 4 times 0, any number na pag i-multiply kay 0, magiging 0. Is 0 equal to 1? Not true. Tama. Kailan maging equal si 0 at saka 1? Ganun naman po. Okay? So, that is about the substitution of the values. Okay. So for our game number 2, we will be using substitution to know if the statement is true or false. Tulad nito nakikita niyo sa screen. We have 7, ito na lang, negative 4x equals 1. True nga ba kung equal siya kay 1? True nga ba kung equal siya kay 1 kung ang given mo is x equals 0? Kung true siya, kung equal sila, magiging true ang sagot. Pero pag hindi, magiging false. Tulad nito, false siya. Nakuha? So, this one is false. Kasi nga po, hindi sila equals. So, ano yung mga example lang true? Kapag 1 is equal to 1, yun yung true. Okay, let's have it. I'll be sending the link on the chat box. And you are given, we have 12 minutes, 22 minutes to answer that one. Maybe 12 minutes, kaya nyo yan tapusin? Saglit lamang. This is 20 over 20. So, 5 items for 10 minutes. So, 4 points po ang tama, 2 points po ang mali. So, paano malaman kung tama? Paano malaman kung mali? So, ako na po ang mag-check niyan. Isisend nyo po sa ating page. This is the game number 2. This is recorded. And this is also 20 over 20. 20 over 20, 5 points correct. 2 points, 4 points correct. 4 points correct. 2 points incorrect. Okay, please click the link now on the chat box, please. This is quiz number, tingnan ko muna class ha. Quiz number 18. Okay, your time starts now. You have 12 minutes to answer that one. Okay po, Ashley. Saglit lamang po. Saglit lang, Ashley, ha. Still loading ang aking laptop. Okay, may sinend po ako na link sa group chat ninyo. That is, kung yung link ang i-click ninyo, ang lalabas is yung game. But if you would like to click that PDF, yung nasa baba, yan po yung printed na quiz. So, pwede nyo po siyang tingnan, dyan po kayo titingin kung true or false nga ba ang statement. Okay, so 10 minutes left and we will wait. If you're done, just type done on the chat box kapag natapos na po. Okay, class, it is already 8:57. Maybe we could continue this one next meeting. Please answer that one and submit in our page. Please turn on your cameras for the checking of attendance. Okay, please turn on your cameras now. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and smile. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you.
sir.
Bye po.
Bye, sir.
Diyos.